What's going on, guys? Chababi here. So today I'm going to teach you how to draw OKO from the manga Vagabond, so let's get right into it. So we're going to start out with the basic shape of the head, and this is actually very simple. All you're going to do is just with the side grip of the pencil, just draw the basic shape of the head as I'm doing right here. So what you're going to do now is just draw the neck, which is just two lines coming out from the chin. And then after that, you're just going to draw the kimono, which is just an upside down triangle. And then also you're going to draw two curves coming down from the neck to draw the brachial plexus, which looks like this in case you're wondering. But what we're going to do now is just locate where the hair is going to grow from, which I'm doing right now. And then after that, what we're going to do, we're going to start drawing the facial features. Now you're going to draw a line going straight down, locating where the nose is going to be, and then you're going to draw a curve going straight across to know where the eyes are going to be. And don't forget to locate where the nose is going to be and also the mouth. The next step is locating where everything's going to be. You're going to locate where the eyebrows, eyes, nose, and mouth is going to be, and you're not really looking for recognition at this point. What you are doing though is just roughing out where everything's going to be. You can do it however you want, but right now I'm just doing it my way. Remember, go on your own pace and draw it in the most comfortable way. After that, you're going to lighten up the lines with an eraser, and then you're going to redraw what you just drew, but you're actually going to go for recognition this time and draw how the eyes, nose, eyebrows, and mouth actually look like. Now we are going to draw the eyes, and this is the reference that I use for them. And don't forget to add a bit of thickness on the top of the eye. And now we're just going to replicate the exact same eye, but on the other side. Don't forget that since the iris is going to be completely black, you don't have to draw the pupils, just remember to add the highlights. And now it's time to draw the nose. This is pretty much going to look like a normal nose, except that since we want to make it look as feminine as possible, we're going to draw it a bit smaller. The next step is to draw the mouth. What you want to do is draw like she's smiling, and then also have the bottom lip twice as big as the upper lip. The next step is to adjust the head. The next step is to draw the hair. You can use any reference to draw the hair, but this is the one that I used. Once you have everything ready, all you're going to do is just use a kneaded eraser or a normal eraser, and you're just going to lighten up the line so you can draw over it. And now for the final step, we're basically just going to be shading everything. We're going to be shading the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and we are also going to be adding textures to the skin. So let's do that right now. What you can do is draw an arrow from where you want the light source to be in, and then everything facing away from that arrow, which is the light source, will be shaded in. But that is only if you're a beginner, but if you're really comfortable with shading, then you can do whatever you want. Just remember to keep the eyes as dark as possible. And in case you're wondering, I use a blending stump for shading. And now you're going to rough out where everything is going to be whited out and what everything's going to be shaded in. Again, you can use the same reference as I used right here. And then just finish up the entire drawing by just shading everything in, and we are done. Just remember to have the darkest pencil you own to shade the entire hair, and remember to add the finishing touches at the end. And of course, don't forget to sign your drawing. At the end, of course,